Hello everyone. So this thing here. So I've been craving brisket for quite a while now. And I finally bought myself a new smoker. This is a one mount casting electric wood pellet smoker. So I don't know much about smokers. This is my first smoker. So I'm gonna try my hands on things here. So yeah, this is the smoker here. It's I think it's a big unit. This should be enough for my needs. And this is where the pellets go. So I bought a bag of natural hardwood pellets here. So let's get this thing started and see how it performs. So it's plugged in. Let's get this thing started. 225. I think it's gonna preheat until it gets to that temperature. And let's open this bag up. So this is the brisket that we got from Costco. It's around 10 pounds. So first thing first, let's just try to dry this off, the excess blood off of this piece here. So I haven't done this before. This is my first time. I'm just going as I saw on YouTube. So if I'm doing it wrong, let me know. So what I heard is I'm gonna have to try to clean this meat side as much we can, and then try to remove not all of it, but most of it, most of the fat on the other side. I think most people leave about a quarter of an inch of a fat. So let's clean this up. And now we don't want to throw this excess fat. We're just gonna keep on saving these and then melt them and make a tallow out of this excess fat. Actually, we should put this in a container, but I'm just gonna put this here for now. So what I also saw on YouTube is that try to remove as much of this silver skin off, because this does not tenderize, and this can actually like it can make it just not taste good. So that's what I'm trying to do, just take it off as much as I can. So for marinating this, we're gonna go with the mustard first. That helps with the bonding of the spices. For spices, I'm just using black pepper and salt, and we are gonna put some Cajun spice too. So. Go over with a little bit of Cajun spice too. Alright, it's late, so I'm gonna leave this burner going overnight. we had that marinated and we let it sit for good hour and a half. We had the temperature set at 225 Fahrenheit, and let's put this in. So we're gonna put the fat side down. Actually, I'm gonna turn it around. All right, so I'm gonna keep an eye on the internal temperature. So guys, our brisket is off of the smoker. It hit eternal 160 Fahrenheit. Now I'm going to wrap it. I'm using a butcher's paper. I already moistened it with some water. I don't have any beef broth. I know that would have been much better, but I'm just using water, and then I have some beef towel made from fat. So I'm gonna put this on here too. Just I heard it gives it nice flavor and moists the meat again. So our brisket is wrapped, ready to go back in the smoker. That's what I thought. But here, come check this out. Ta-da! It's snowing again. I got surprised this morning. so I think I'm gonna just put it inside the oven inside. But here's the view from my patio. It's pretty nice. I like it. Love it here. Alright, now this brisket is sitting for a bit, good 2 hours now. Now let's cut into it and do the final review. Maybe it's good. Look at that, you guys. Nice and juicy. Now let's do the bend test. Nice and soft, tender. Let's break it up. Smells good. So we have my friend here. He's gonna do the taste review for us.
Oh yeah. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10.
Did we kill it?
Nicely spiced. Perfect texture.
Now, is it like this? The texture is this soft, or is it even more softer?
Well, from what I've tried, that's about what
know that we made a few mistakes, but I think overall it turned out good. Yeah.
One for the thumbnail.
One more. Yeah. This one. Okay.
Yeah. But like after like half an hour. Look at the smoke ring, guys. And honestly, I think it turned out really good. I'm really enjoying it. Well guys, this is gonna be it for this video. The brisket turned out really good. My family and I enjoyed it. So, and about this smoker, I think it's a good unit. I did not really had any problems with it. Held the temperature where it was supposed to be. And so make sure you guys follow me, because I'm gonna be doing lots of smoking videos, and there's lots more other videos coming around the property here. And stay tuned, and thanks for watching.